camera. Thank you.
Hi, friends. My name is Simon, and I say smile. Okay, friends, are you all smiling? Do you have your bags of blessings ready? Hold up your bags of blessings. Hey, I didn't say Simon Says. We better review the rules. And Simon Says, you can only do what I tell you to do if I say Simon Says first. If I don't say Simon Says, don't do what I tell you. Remember? Okay, let's try again. Simon Says, clap your hands. Good, good. Now stop clapping. I didn't say Simon Says stop clapping, so you should still be clapping. Got it? Simon Says stop clapping. Okay, let's get on with the game and our story from the Bible. I'm going to tell you about a man named Abram who lived a long time ago. God asked Abram to do some things that were kind of unusual, but Abram obeyed God, even when he wasn't sure what was going to happen. Simon Says, listen to everything I say very, very carefully. Are you listening? Good. Because it's hard to play Simon Says if you don't listen very, very carefully. Simon Says, put your bag on the floor. Pick up your bag. I didn't say Simon Says. Simon Says, pick up your bag. Simon Says, trade bags with a friend. Simon Says, put your new bag on the floor. One day, the Lord said to Abram, leave your country, your people, and your father's house, and go to the land I will show you. I don't know about you, but I might have a hard time packing up all my stuff and leaving without even knowing where I was supposed to go. But that's what God told Abram. Could you obey like that? Simon Says, nod your head yes or shake your head no to answer that question. God made a promise to Abram. He said, I will make you into a great nation, and I will bless you. Simon Says, say God bless you to the friend standing closest to you. God said to Abram, I will make your name great. Then God said to Abram, you will be a blessing. Simon Says, give one of the blessings in your bag to a friend. Take it back. Hey, I didn't say Simon Says. We never grab our blessings back. The amazing thing about Abram is that he did what God asked him to do. He and his wife Sarai and his nephew Lot packed all their possessions. Then they took their servants and their sheep and goats and cows and everything else they had, and they set out. Simon Says, march in place. Simon Says, stop marching. God directed Abram to go to the land of Canaan, and they have finally arrived there. Some other people, the Canaanites, were still living there, but God promised that Abram's descendants would live in that land. Shake hands with a friend. I didn't say Simon Says. Okay, Simon Says shake hands with two friends. Simon Says stop and listen. Abram followed God, and we can follow God too. When we follow God, sometimes we end up with even better blessings than we started with. Simon Says, look in your bags and see what blessings you have. Simon's going to say goodbye, but first, Simon Says take turns reading your blessings out loud to each other.
Good job, grade 5 and 6.